Hi guys, this is me from IT with Ahmed with second part of what is dropshipping. Let's discuss about this. Number 4 is supplier error. Have you ever been blamed for something that was not your fault but had to accept responsibility for anyways? Even the best dropshipping suppliers make mistakes fulfilling orders, mistakes for which you have to take responsibility and apologize. And mediocre and low quality suppliers will cause endless frustration with missing items, botched shipment, and low quality packing, which can damage your business reputation. Number 5 is limited customization and branding. Unlike custom made products or print on demand, dropshipping doesn't give you a lot of control over the product itself. Usually, the product drop shipped is designed and branded by the supplier. Some suppliers can accommodate your business product changes, but even then, the supplier has the most control over the product itself. Any changes or addition to the product usually requires a minimum order quantity to make it viable and affordable for manufacturer. Dropshipping question and answers. How much do I need to invest to start dropshipping? Though it's hard to predict the exact cost for any individual business, there are few items every dropshipping business will need to spend money on to get started. Here's a quick summary of these essential costs. Online stores, estimated cost $29 per month. You will need to find an e-commerce platform or website builder to create and host your online store. We obviously recommend starting a Shopify store. You will be able to effortlessly sync with the DSer's marketplace to source dropshipping products, and you will get access to our full selection of themes and free branding tool so you can get your business up and running quickly. Domain name, estimated cost $5 to $20 per year. It's hard to build trust with customers without your own domain name. While there are a number of top level domains available, example shop, example.shops, example.co, we recommend looking for a .com that fits your brand. If one is available, use our domain name generator to get started and learn more about how to come with a catchy business name. Test orders, estimated cost varies. Although dropshipping lets you have minimal involvement with handling your overall product catalog, you should set aside money as well as a little bit of time to test out the product you plan to sell. If you don't, you risk listing a product with too many shortcomings or defects, which will result in unhappy customers and a lot of time spent dealing with returns. Online advertising, estimated cost scale with your business. We recommend budgeting at least $500 to get started. Every e-commerce business should look for ways to reduce the average cost to acquire a customer through organic channels like content marketing, SEO, and word of mouth. But to get started, advertising is usually an essential channel for most product-based businesses. The most common channel includes search engine marketing, SEM, display ads, social media ads, and mobile ads. How do dropshippers make money? Dropshipping business acts as a product curator, selecting the right mix of products to market to customers. Remember, marketing is a cost you incur in both time and money. Helping potential customers find, evaluate, and buy the right product, you will also have to include the cost of providing customer support whenever there is a product or shipping issue. Last but certainly not least, in the original price that your supplier sells the product for. With all of these costs to account for, dropshipping business marks up individual product in exchange for distribution. This is why suppliers are okay having dropshipper market their product for them. Dropshipping stores drive additional sales that the suppliers would have otherwise missed out on. To make a profit with your dropshipping business, it's a good idea to find out how much it costs for you to acquire a customer and price your product with that in mind. Is dropshipping legal? Yes, dropshipping is legal. It's an e-commerce fulfillment model used by many global retailers. This question usually come up due to a misunderstanding of how dropshipping works. Like with any business, satisfying customers' exception and building a brand that resonate with the right audience is still key to long-term success. Most retail stores you shop in are likely not selling product they personally manufacture. Dropshipping takes the curated approach and turn it into a fulfillment model fit for an online business. There are, of course, the more fundamental things you need to do to run your business legally. Consult a lawyer who specializes in these matters to ensure you are conducting business legally in your region. Can you drop shipping on Amazon? Yes, the Amazon drop shipping business model is one way to operate on e-commerce business. Drop shipping fees range between 10% and 15% depending on the product type. Margins are much similar. Depending on the Depending on the product type, margins are much slimmer on Amazon. There are also few housekeeping rules you need to follow, which you can find on Amazon's dropshipping policy page. Can you dropship on eBay? Dropshipping is allowed on eBay. However, listing a product on eBay and then purchasing it from another retail store and then purchasing it from another retail or marketplace that ships the customer order is not allowed. How do I start a dropshipping business? The following 9 steps will help you with everything from finding your dropshipping niche to choosing provider. Number 1 is commit to starting a dropshipping business. Number 2, choose a dropshipping business idea. Number 3, do competitive research. Number 4, choose a dropshipping supplier. Number 5, build your e-commerce store. Number 6, decide on a business structure. Number 7, get your finance in order. Number 8, market your dropshipping store. And the last, number 9, is analyze and improve your offerings. Is dropshipping worth in 2022? As we have mentioned, dropshipping isn't a perfect, stress-free way to build a successful online business. Hard work is always required. The model has some definite disadvantage. The model has some definite advantages, but come with a number of built-in complexities you will need to address. The good news is that with some careful planning and consideration, most of these hurdles can be resolved and need not prevent you from building a thriving, profitable dropshipping business. This was our video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.